For higher-priced gifts, start in My Hintz on your gifts list and tap Add Gift. You'll want to set this gift as a contribution so friends can help fund one meaningful item together with ease. Next, add it through a website. Open the bookmarked brand or product page, then browse until the right image appears. When you tap Add to GiftHintz, the app pulls in useful product details, including the price and available product images right away. Keep browsing the product page if you want another angle. GiftHintz can carry over the product images and description from the source. Use the site view to compare photos, details, and pricing so the gift card feels accurate before you import it into GiftHintz. Pick the product image that best represents the gift. This makes the contribution request look polished and easy for friends to recognize. Select the image, review the details, mark it as a must-have cash fund, then tap Add Gift and let contributors help bring it home. GiftHintz give the gifts they love. Get the gifts you want.